And here's something you can never have too many of, utility knife blades. I don't know if you're like me, you're going through 5 a day. So being able to buy them in bulk like this is just what the doctor ordered. So a nice heavy duty little case. We could put it on some screws on the wall. That's nice. There's 100 in here. And it's got a spot here for you to put your used blade after you use it. That's kind of nice. It's got a little bit of a counter here so you can see how many blades you have inside. I like that. Seems like a decent case. And boy, this sends them out easy. Look at this. I've seen some of these where you have to like squeeze and jab and push things with your thumb. This one just dispenses simple. Let's do another one. Easy. These come out so easy. This is what you need, you know. You don't want the ones that are hard to use. And then you can shove your used blades back up in here, see? Okay, because this will go down as the blades go in, but we don't want to store our used blades in there. We want to keep our blades because these are all brand new. Oh, look at that. We can also open it by the side and take a whole grip of them out of there. Boy, that's really nice too. That is really, really a nice setup. These are your just standard issue utility knife blades, but they say they last 3 times longer. I don't know how to measure that. They certainly, oof. Yeah, they'll certainly cut nice and easy. Okay, great. So yeah, if you've got a utility knife that you're always changing blades out on, buy them by the 100. You don't have to spend too much money. They seem perfectly good. They're not all flexy and breakable. Nice.